Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ira Mushtaq and I warmly welcome you in my live session on Facebook and LinkedIn. I am live with my virtual studio, the Reflection Room, where I create review of different TED Talks and things. So today I am very excited to share my thoughts on a very inspired TED Talk by Rita Pearson. And the title of the TED Talk is Every Kid Needs a Champion. Rita Pearson was a dedicated educator with over 40 years of experience in teaching and mentoring students. So, in her TED Talk, she reminds us that learning is not just about textbooks or exams, it is about connections, encouragement, and believing in every child. So, in this session, we will explore the key message from her TED Talk, the life lessons she shares for educators and anyone working with children, and how we can apply her ideas in our daily lives to support and uplift young people. But before going to review the TED Talk of Rita Pearson, I want to introduce you people with the speaker of this TED Talk, Rita Pearson. I prepare a short biography of Rita Pearson. She was born in 1951 and died in 2013. She was a dedicated American educator and a speaker who devoted her life to teaching and supporting students. She came from a family of educators. Both her parents and her grandparents were teachers and followed them into the profession. She worked as a teacher, counselor, testing coordinator, and assistant principal in public schools, teaching elementary, junior high school, and special education classes. In her more than 40 years career, she became known for her passion for building strong relationships with students and helping them believe in themselves. Rita also led professional development workshops and seminars for educators across the United States, especially focused on students who were underserved or at risk. Her TED Talk, Every Kid Need a Champion, became widely influential in education circles because she argued that students learn best when adults truly care about them. Let's move toward the review of this TED Talk. In this TED Talk, the main message of the speaker is that every children should feel himself valued and supported by the adults. In the TED Talk, the speaker says that every child deserves an adult in their life who believes in them, connects with them, and never gives up on them. Someone she calls a champion. The key points which I collected or I observed from the TED Talk are these. Number one is relationship matters most. Rita Pearson argues that human connection is the foundation of learning. She emphasizes that students cannot truly learn from teachers they don't like, no matter how good the lesson is. Second point is that teachers should build meaningful bonds. She challenges the idea that teaching is just about delivering content. Instead, she encourages educators to understand their students personally, listen to them, and even apologize when necessary to strengthen the trust. Third point, which I noted in the TED Talk, is encouragement and positivity help growth. For example, Rita Pearson shared that she marked +2 instead of -18 on a failing quiz to show our student the small success he had to help him feel better and motivated. The fourth point, which I collected from the TED Talk, is respect and self belief in students. She used daily affirmation with her students like, I am somebody, I was somebody when I came. but I will be a better somebody when I leave. This sentence helps students build self confidence and feel proud of themselves. Fifth point, which I noted from the TED Talk, is teachers should be champions. Rita Pearson explains that being a champion means being an adult who never gives up on a child, even the tough ones who show up every day with challenges. She says in the TED Talk that every child deserves a champion, an adult who believes in themselves and insists they become the best they can be. So, this idea shows that educators are not just instructors, they are supporters of children's dreams and potential. But we can learn from the TED Talk. So, we can learn from the TED Talk is that learning goes beyond academics. Real learning happens when children feel understood and safe. Connections builds confidence. Positive relationships help students take risks and grow. Supportive adults change lives. Whether a teacher, a parent, a mentor, or a coach, a champion helps students believe in themselves. Teachers are more than knowledge sharers, they are role models. They are the guides and the emotional supporters of the children. What is the final thought from my side as an educator? It is that Rita Pearson's message is very warm and inspiring. She reminds us that education isn't just about tests and lessons, it's about caring, empathy, and connection. Her talk encourages every adult to show kindness, patience, and believe in young people so they can feel strong, capable, and hopeful. I hope that my TED talk will help you to grow your mind. You can watch the real TED Talk of Rita Pearson on YouTube. I will paste the link of the TED Talk. I will come again tomorrow with another review of any other TED Talk with my virtual studio named The Reflection Room. If you like my content, you can support me. You can like my video, you can comment and share with your friends. Your support helps me create more valuable content. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.